Hello, parents. As you have been going through this journey, you have seen all the judgments, labels, control, expectations you are having with your kid. Right. So, once you release everything, you might be wondering then what is the role of a parent? Right. So, if I simply sit without doing anything, is that fine? No, right? Of course, this is not a hands off approach, not even a hands on or fully control based hands on approach. No, right? This is hands off approach in terms of the controlling the expectations on your kid, and at the same time, this is hands on approach for the compassion, the encouragement, understanding, growing together, right? And when you see this, when you see the changes that are happening, you might be very much confusing in your journey, right? Whenever there is some issue or something you observe which you are not accepting earlier, so now you might be having that confusion or dilemma, whether do I need to step back or step in, right? So this is a symbol of your growth, right? Where earlier you are taking control onto yourself, everything on your own, whether it is help, expectations, goals, their concerns, everything you are owning. So now it's not the case. You are trying to move out of it slowly. So this is very much common. Okay, if we slowly add few more things into your toolkit, you will slowly step out of that the old patterns, right? So as part of this, what you need to do, you need to come out of that parent identity. You no longer need to be a parent, right? The I am the parent. Whatever issue happens, I need to take care. I need to look after. They don't know anything, right? So this all, as a parent, if you look, so that's how you feel. You come out of that burden, and come out of that position as parent, and try to travel together along with your kid. It's like a spiritual guide. So what does a spiritual guide do? He embodies whatever the principles, characteristics, right? So that the other person or the disciple, he will take it as an example, inspire, and move along, right? No need to do, no need to say something like do this, do that, or why are you not doing that. There is no attachment between the results or the goals. So whatever you would like to see your kid as, you embody yourself. You be an example for your kid, right? Your kid automatically will absorb that. So this is one phenomena in this journey, right? You just move out of that identity as parent and be as a spiritual guide. The spiritual journey is in the essence of being in the present moment. Be fully present in the moment instead of worrying, focusing too much on the future. So that is where, if you can be like that, your kids' growth will be wonderful. Wonderful, not in terms of your expectations, right? As per their dreams, their true essence. It will be as per their dreams. It's all about their life. Hope you had good insights. Keep learning. Stay tuned.